guys, welcome back to my first video. And we are playing the okay. We are playing the fan group simulator. And you can see I've been playing for this a couple days now, but this guy looks like he's about to pee on someone. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. Okay. And I want that golden trophy. And, well, first, see how much it is. Okay, you got that. Got that little poke right here. Next to you. Where's my dominance? Okay, guys. Let's go to poke. I need to go to poke. And test these guys out. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Who is this little guy? Huh? Who is it? I came from China. Oh look, he's my little buddy. I'm gonna rip some kid. Don't say that, little boy. Okay. Boy, I'm not Zach. Some people just don't get it. Now I'm gonna test out a little double right here. I'm gonna do that. Oh look, it's Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. Hello. I can't hug you. This kid thinks I'm actually a joke. Get ready to do this, little boy. Now go and test the flamingo. The flamingo! The flamingo! Go to flamingo. Go to the flamingo. I need to go to the flamingo. Where is the flamingo? Go the flamingo. Oh my gosh, the flamingo. Whatever. And let's try to do Albert screen. I'm joking. I'm joking. Huh. Let's see. I don't see my fans. I don't care. Let's see my fans right here. Come on, everybody. Jump off that roof. Come fall from the sky. I don't really care. And you guys are all dumbheads. Are you trying to rub your boobs? Literally. Now these are my fans right here. So 5. Nope. 5. Let's see. 80. 1, 2, 3. And clickaroo. Good, that's it. I want that trophy. Oh yeah, I forgot to test this little RIP. Look at that. RIP London RB. Unlock at 5 million. I like to eat the flamingo. And this dude is trying to. Oh my gosh, he's trying to poop on his head. I don't want to be bacon here also. Oh no, my body fell. My body fell. And if you really want other codes, all you have to do is just go here. Go in the code and like really right there. Mic fail. So many things. Ah! Okay. Okay, so right there. See that? No. I don't really care. So I think someone attempted to murder someone because they literally cut off their crystal body. Let's get lit. Never. Interesting. Nope. Ah. Okay. Now let's delete. Now let's dance. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Shake that bubble butt. No. Shake that bubble butt. Whoa! YouTube. Oh no. Okay. For YouTube. Yeah. I got my fans right here. Nope, they're not fans, but I don't care. Sup there, Dugs. Sup there, Duck Squad. Boy, he just ran over me. Oh my gosh, he's trying to. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I hate people. Okay, got him in his group. Go there, right there. I'm saving till no, okay. I got my little joint right here. I want that mini-me. Yeah! Okay. Hold on, I got one big idea. This might be weird, but I have to do something. I have to. I regret this. I will regret this. I have to regret this. Boy, this, oh my gosh. This flamingo won't stop pooping on my head. Okay. Flamingo squad. Get the flamingo squad. Hang on. Let's go. On first. Doodle right there. Then do another doodle right here. That is a science spam, okay. That's a science spam. Tango. I can't get the duck off my head. Well, I want that silver trophy. I got a little chubby cheeks right there. I'm going to my own private house. Now you can see all these ducks. Where are all these ducks? Those are little ducks right there. See, little kids? Those are little ducks. And you have to try to get them up too. But you might die from it. Oh my gosh. So eager. Ow! Oh yeah, just burped from eating chicken nuggets. Yeah. See? Even my flamingo burped. Oh yeah. I got some flamingo right. Well, I'm gonna manage this group again. 800. Nope. I'm gonna do 830. 1, 2, 3. Now, boy, let's go. Yeah, give me that little trophy. Yeah, give me that little trophy. I don't think we'll get to that little thing today. But anyways, even though I have 11 million, I need to get out of here. And I want my little trophy. Where did I get my trophy? Huh? Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this video. But wait until you see my silver trophy. It's gonna look beautiful if I get it. Please, can I get it? I need it. I need it. I need it. Anyways, I am Little Joe. See that little trophy, you guys? Huh? See that little trophy? Yeah, I want my little trophy. Give me my little... Oh. There's a little trophy right there. I want it. I want it. I want it. Hey, guys. Anyways, we will do this tonight. Hey, guys, I will see you back next time. Smash that like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, bye, little kids.